Hi gentlemen, my name is Vishal Patak. Currently I am pursuing BTech CSE from BSc CET Mathura. I am a final year student. In my graduation, I just completed a mini project which is related to front end, and I also know the front end, how the front end work and how all the things is going. In my graduation, I'm making a project, just a college connect, QR code generator and a weather forecast website, and working on the major project which is based on the travel blog website, where you can use the travel things, how the traveling work, and you estimate every plan, which is very helpful to implement all of the things. In my opinion, I am just best for this position. Because of that, I know the everything which is work on the front end project. Just like that, I know the React JS, I know the JavaScript, how the work, and I also work on the Node.js, and also learning on the MERN, how the things is work on the back end, and everything is going very fantastic. Because of that, I know how the things is gone. I'm also a good team leader. Because of that, I also lead a team in my journal level, where I just won the football, where I just won the gold medal in football. And I'm also work as a team, and I'm a captain of that team. And I'm also the captain of the cricket team in my local area tournament, where I just won the final, and I'm of the player of the match in many matches. And I'm also the player of the series in that tournament. And then this is so how the my capability for working as a team leader player. And I'm also know the how the tag is work in the technical field. I'm also know the Figma, I also know the React.js, I'm also know how the APIs is working as a front end. You know that API is a medium for the collaboration for both of the front end and the back end. I am also working is where I just make many things. Just like that, I am also make a project with QR code generator and a password generator, and then weather forecast website. In QR code generator, you just type the name and any website, and then my website just give you the QR code of that website. This is very useful in the current scenario, where you can't use your personal information to share, or you can use your QR code in the password generator. In password generator app, I'm just making a app where you just make a password in your preference. If you use a small case alphabet, if a capital case alphabet, numerical, some special character, and the many more things. If you generate a very strong password, you just take the all of the things, and then my website give you the best generated password, which is a very encrypted. It's just like that, you just make the very long chain to decrypt that password. In weather forecast website, you just type the location, and then my website just give you the weather, how the weather is work in there. This is very important for the harvesting and many more things. Just like that, you can use the weather forecast website. And I also make the GitHub profile website. You just type the username, and then my website give you the all of the GitHub profiles, how the username is works, and many more things, where I can use the GitHub API. And in weather forecast website, I just use a open weather map API, which is very helpful for me, also for my team. That is very helpful. And then I'm also know the basics of a oops concept, and or computer network, or DVMS, and then operating system, and then DSA. Also, I also know the how the coding is work. I also solve the some problems in GitHub. Sorry, GitHub, not a GitHub. I also solve the problem in Code Chef, and also solve the problem in Code Studio. And just like that, Hacker Rank, and then Lead Code, I also solve the some little bit problems in all of the platforms. Because of that, these all platforms are so much good, and I'm consider that I'm the best for this. Because of that, I know everything which is important for this skill, so I just feel that I am the best candidate for that. Thank you very much.